the special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sound-alike all-day and night Audiomatic Express. It can moo like a cow. It can go moo, moobity-moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moobity-moo.
Can you sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can boop. How about you? Can you go boop, boopity-boo?
Boo, boopity-boo.
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze of a flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, zoom. Is there such a thing as an upside-down sound? Ooh, listen to this. It goes swim, swim, swim. To get a start-on machine? Clunkety clunk clunk, bump, bumpity bump bump, jerkity jerk, burp, burkity burp jerk. The trolley train goes trafficky when sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep?
Honkity honk, beep beep beep.
When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast with a swish, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, kablast.
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woohoo!
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an earful of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, botcha, bang, botcha.
And a sneech farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, sneeches. Goodbye all around. We won't forget all the wonderful sounds.
Town and all the way back. I look round and round and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, here in the heart of Seuss Landing is a carousel cell that's truly outstanding. And I see the trees, the truffula trees, the bright colored tops of the truffula trees, mile after mile in the fresh blowing breeze. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. From there to here, from here to there, fabulous things are everywhere. Just like that red and white hat, I'm sure it belongs to that black and white cat. And look out below! It's that new McGrew Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth. It's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass two unbudging Zacks, both stubbornly stuck unbudged in their tracks. Now keep your eyes peeled for sneeches. They are known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly. Say, that makes a story that no one can beat when we say that we saw it on Mulberry Street. But it still could be better. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wanted one and calls out, "Yeah, come into the house, Dave," she doesn't get one. All 23 days of hers come on the run. Farewell to the Sneetches as we end